Hello guys, it's Mother Eagle here. So I was thinking about times and seasons, right? I know I haven't been on the page much, but it was intentional. There are seasons when you have to pull back. There are seasons when you are ready to share. There are seasons of incubation, seasons of creating, seasons of sharing, seasons of letting go, seasons of surrender, and they go in a spiral. So it's not a one-time thing, So to maybe this month you feel you're in incubation, respect that. Incubation doesn't mean that you won't be doing your daily things. Yes, you do your daily things, but at a minimal, to conserve energy. Why? Something is boiling and happening behind the scenes in you, in your mind, in your heart, and we have to respect that. If you're pushing and you feel like a door is closed, maybe it's not supposed to be opened, at least not now. So respect the times and seasons that are happening in your life. That way you'll have a smooth transition to the next one. What happens when you are in incubation? Once whatever is working up in you is ready to be released, you'll find that you're ready to create, you're ready to start something new, and there is an ease to it because it's time, it has matured, and these processes are not only for you. It involves people around you, every party that will be involved in the process you're trying to come up with. Supposing you're trying to open a business. That business may need 2 business partners, but maybe those 2 business partners may not be ready in the season when you think you're ready. And yet if you just waited a month or 2 or 3, the right people will come, partner with you, and have the business going. That is the point of respecting the times and seasons. If you feel there is a pause, there is a halt, allow that. If you feel movement, a push to do something, go somewhere, do that, because everything that happens to us is intentional, and it has there's a bigger plan to this whole puzzle. If we respect it and go with that flow, usually we get better results and more happier in general. All right, as always, Mother Eagle here. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.